Okay, guys, for all you beer lovers out there and Busch Light heads, I have a beer price update for you guys. Now, normally, depending on what store you go to, a 30-pack of Busch Light can cost upwards to $22 a case. Berkots have a sale. Their regular price is $16.99, and now they have a sale going on where you can get a 30-pack for $14.99. My husband and I, we went there and we stacked up. We ended up going 2 days in a row, and we bought 24 cases of Busch Light in the 30-pack. Now, the only thing is you have to buy 2 30 packs in order to get it for $14.99. But compared to having to pay $22 for a 30 pack of Busch Light, this is the best deal that you guys are going to get. Now listen, you need to keep up with, if you love Busch Light, you need to keep up with Berkots because they normally have their beer on sale and their Busch Light on sale during the holidays, regardless of the holiday, which holiday it is. They normally have their Busch Light sale for $14.99 on the holidays. So if you love Busch Light beer, you need to keep up with Berkots. If you have one in your area, you need to go and check it out. You can even look it up on your phone before you head out there, so that you will know when the beer is on sale. It's on sale now for $14.99. You have to buy 2 cases, 2 cases, 2 30 packs. This sale that I'm talking about now is going to end on Christmas Day. So head out there, guys. We need to save money whenever we can because the prices of everything has gone up. Now, in order to get this deal, you have to sign up, guys, and become a member because the cashier is going to ask you to put your telephone number in at the cash register. My husband even made his own personal stairway to heaven. So check it out, guys. Get it while it's good and get it before it's gone. Okay, guys, for my husband's Beermas vacation, we went to Berkots and bought 12 cases of beer. 12 cases. Wait for it. To go along with the 12 cases that we bought last weekend. And there is the last case right there, guys. Yeah, guys, so all together, we ended up buying 24 cases. And yes, he drinks just that much.